welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another feeding essentials for your baby, but this time Heorshe Singapore sent us their products to try and share our experience to all of you. So join me to unbox this wonderful gift. Together with my guests. Hi! Her name is Samantha Riley. She is 7 months old now, and I think she wants to join me unbox her gift from Hiroshi, Singapore. Okay, you sit here, baby girl. We have received 2 packages, so let's unbox this first. This is the biggest one. I have a letter from Hiroshi, Singapore. Thank you, Yassy and Riley. Thank you so much, Hiroshi, Singapore. Wow, it's a lot. Okay, Riley. Wow, they're so pretty. So we have a wristband teeter. And wow, this is so nice. Their toddler feeding set. Yes. Oh, I really love the color. Okay, see the other package. Wow! You have a dental care sippy cup and an ultra wide neck baby bottle. Riley, you have another bottle to try. Are you excited? Wow! All pink. It's all for you, baby girl. These are all the items that we received for Riley. So let's start unboxing each of them. I'm really excited. I don't know which one should I unbox first. So I'd like to unbox the baby bottle first because this one is very interesting and the design is quite unique. Yes, baby. This is the bottle and the manual, and we have this small pen. I think this is for the colic thing that you need to poke. Yes, baby, look at your new bottle. This is so pretty. Wow, it's big. Oh, it's all silicone. It's so nice. Hold it. You like it? Let's wash it first, baby. So nice. I like the color because it looks like a vintage look for me. And yeah, this is the cup, and this is their wide, the ultra wide neck baby bottle. Oh, it's so nice. Yeah, it's very smooth. It's very smooth. And the nipple is actually mimics a mommy's breast, so your baby will not be confused if your baby is all breastfeeding and suddenly you will switch your baby to a bottle. So this one really mimics the mom's breast. Did you see how the design looks like? It's super nice. Yeah, I think Riley would love this. Yeah, I know. Actually, before we received these gifts from Hiroshi, Singapore, we already have the dental care sippy cup, the stage 1. We already have the stage 1, and Riley loves it so much. She actually uses it every single time she eats. She also have the teeter. With this, another sippy cup, this is a different one. This is the stage 2 sippy cup. This is stage 2, 9 months and up. So let's see what's the difference. Of course, you have the manual, and you have, of course, the cleaning brush for the straw. What did you do, baby? You put on your ribbon. Okay. Okay. Hey. Hi. So this is another sippy cup for her, and it's also pink. So cute. I really love the color of their pink. It's kind of like a blush pink, and the color of the bottle is like a brownish yellowish, but for me it looks like a vintage color. And this one is a stage 2, and it's up to 280 mils. So the difference is the nipple. This one is longer. This one is longer compared to the stage 1. The stage 1 is like this. The stage 1 is like this. It's up to 180 mils. So the difference is, if you see, the nipple is different. The stage 1 have it looks like flatter than the stage 2, because the stage 2 is quite taller and longer. So yeah, actually we've been searching for a good sippy cup for Riley. We are hesitant to just pick anything, so that's why we searched for a good one previously. So we came across with Heorshe Singapore, and then we saw that they have this dental sippy cup that helps your baby not to misalign their teeth. So that is why this one is very helpful, especially our baby is a girl, so I don't want to have any problems on her teeth. And their sippy cup have a dual vent for the anti-colic for your baby, and their nipples is 100% silicone, and it's very smooth and is very safe. So that's why she always enjoy drinking from it, and even though she nibbles, so far it doesn't break, so I think it's okay so far for her. And if you can see that the design is like a dolphin, it's so cute, it's so pretty. And there is actually some texture on this, like a dolphin. So yeah, it's so cute. So the baby will be interested to drink from it. And if you open the cup, if you can see the face, if you can see the nipple, it looks like there's an eyes and a nose and the lips. It's so cute. And when you open this one, you have this weighted straw, so that whatever position your baby will do in the sippy cup, the straw will follow that the water, and it will have a smooth drinking for them. So that's why I like this. And the next one is the teeter. So this teeter is a silicone rubber as well. The good thing about this, it's wearable. You just need to put this on your baby's wrist, like this. Yes, baby, let's try first. Yes, baby. Something like this. So it stays there. So wherever you go, it won't fall. And she actually enjoyed playing with it, eating, nibbling it. So yeah, look what she's doing. Yeah, she always have this wherever we go, especially if we go to her checkup every month. So this is the only thing that we bring along, because this one, it never falls off ever. She can't remove it by herself. So basically this one is easy to clean, and the texture is super soft. This one is a 100% food grade silicone. So see how she loves it. She's quite playful nowadays, and she likes to stand all the time. So, and the next item that we have is The feeding set. This one I'm very excited because I really like the design. So let's unbox this. So this is the set. You have your spoon and fork, and you have a small cup. So cute. I like the color. And you have a small bowl that has a suction underneath so that it won't move. And of course, the bigger plate, you can see, and also have a suction. They're all microwave safe, freezer safe, and all of their products are BPA free. And I'm very interested with the spoon and fork because, wow, so cute. Oh my gosh, see? Why am I so interested with this one? Because you can bend this like this. So your baby can hold the spoon. You can train your baby to hold the spoon slowly and up to the normal way. That's why it's very interesting. I really like this. And yeah, this is super soft and smooth. And the color, I love it. It's a blush pink, which our favorite, right? So yeah, Riley, you have a new spoon and fork, okay? The good thing about Heorshe products is that they are made with high polymer antibacterial material. So they are all antibacterial, and that is very important to all of us mommies. For example, the baby bottle. Most of the time, there will be milk left over and you won't be able to wash it right away. So tendency, the bacteria will stay there and reproduce themselves, and then we can't see from our naked eye those bacteria. So that's why with these kind of products, it's very helpful. You don't need to worry those bacteria, but of course you still need to wash the baby bottle properly and sterilize it. At least this antibacterial agent will kill those bacteria inhibiting inside of the baby bottle. And that's the best feature that a bottle can have. Not only this bottle, but also their dental sippy cup, their toddler feeding set, and of course, their teether. Basically, all products of Heorshe have that antibacterial feature. So for me, it's very helpful to every moms out there. I think she's tired. So yeah, basically that's all we got from Hiroshi. We are so grateful to receive all of this, and definitely we will use this, especially the baby bottle. I want her to try it because she always wants to latch on me, and let's see if she won't be confused or what. Thank you so much, Hiroshi, for sending us these gifts. We will let Riley use all of this and let you know her review. If you want to try these products from Hiroshi, you can use my code for an exclusive discount on their website at heorshe.sg. Yay! So, okay, let's say bye-bye, Riley, to all of your audience. Riley's tired now, so we're going to say bye-bye. Thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you'll get notification whenever I post a new video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Say bye-bye. Bye! Bye! So today we're trying the wide neck bottle from Hiroshi. This is a 240 mils. So yeah, this is very nice. The cover is so big and the texture is smooth, and it's not sticky like the other silicone type. But this one is, yeah, very smooth, and it's non-slip. So it's easy to grab. It won't slip off on your hand. So yeah. So this is how it looks like. This is the cover. It's so huge, and this is, by the way, an anti-dust cover. You can see the he or she logo, and yeah, this is the nipple, and they have two anti-colic bulbs there that will help your baby to not be a gassy one. Prevents those colic. You can see the nipple. It's really looks like a mom's breast, so your baby will like it. As you can hear, Riley is the back responding to what I'm saying. So yeah, let's try this to Riley. She's there waiting. You can see there. That's Riley. Okay, so